I'm a multi-million dollar Amazon seller that's done Amazon FBA, Amazon Merch, Amazon KDP, and Seller Central FBM print on demand. If there's a way to make money on Amazon, I've probably tried it. And I'm telling you, Amazon influencers is probably the easiest way for you to make money on Amazon in 2024. I get nothing out of saying that, by the way. This is just what I genuinely think. In this video, I want to show you how much money I made from the influencers program in only 5 days of recording content. By the way, I found out about Amazon influencers in September of 2023. So what I'm going to show you, I was able to accomplish in 4 months. Let's get to it. Before I reveal my profits, I want to quickly reintroduce you to the Amazon influencers program because I'm guessing most people that watch this are not in it. So the Amazon influencers program is actually pretty accessible. It's not like Amazon Merch where you have to apply and it's really hard to get in. There is an application process for Amazon influencers, but it only requires a relatively small social media following on one of the 4 major social media platforms. And just so you know, you can just purchase followers and apply and get in. All right. I don't want to get into more of the nuance right now, but it is honestly that simple. You can make it harder on yourself if you want to. I don't care. But anyways, they make it easy to monetize your content, meaning you record video content of products that are available for sale on Amazon. You give an honest review of it, and then you tag that product so that your video will be shown to potential buyers on Amazon.com. If somebody watches your video and purchases the product, you receive a commission. It is that simple. By the way, when it comes to recording videos, guys, most people just use a smartphone. Smartphones record really good video these days. I personally have done it multiple ways. I like the Logitech StreamCam. All right. I didn't just randomly pick that camera. I like it because it has really good autofocus, which I found was something I was struggling with in recording some product reviews. But I have a nice little camera mount. It's actually right here. I have a separate camera. I could even switch to it right now for this video and show you the quality if I wanted to, but I'll just leave it with my nice DSLR camera up here. Anyways, Amazon influencers, you apply, you get in, you record 3 videos, basically almost like showing Amazon that you're capable of following the rules and recording good product reviews that fall within the rules. Again, then you're approved to earn commissions and record and upload as many videos as you would like. That is a very broad summary of how this program works. I definitely am going to release more content about this that's definitely a little bit more pointed and not broad strokes in the future. So make sure you're subscribed. And I'm actually going to show you another way to keep in touch to follow up with all of those as well at the end of this video. So I made $1,580 in 2023 in 4 months. So from 0 to that in 4 months. And I'll actually move myself here so you can see my December commissions. That may not seem like too much money, but again, I went from nothing to that. All right. And I only recorded 5 days of content. All right. Now I dedicated basically the entire day to doing the content on those 5 days, but that's pretty good income for a mere 5 days of work. It's not going to be the same for everybody. Some people may surpass this with 5 days worth of video recording. Some people may fall short. I personally set up my recording. I don't want to say studio because I really use the same desk that I'm at right now as I record this video. And I basically, like I said, I mounted a little Logitech camera that faces down right here where I'm pointing. I have a nice little desk mat there where my keyboard is. I just kind of move my keyboard. And I review small products. Now I've reviewed larger products as well. That's where the smartphone comes in handy in case anybody was wondering. And really guys, when someone watches my videos and purchases, I get paid a commission as a percentage of what that product cost. Now the commission structure also can be variable based on the product category. There is nuance. This stuff is fluid. This program hasn't been around that long. So early adopters are probably going to be, the best off. But I'm not the only person that does this. My fiance, Marielle, does it as well. She blew me out of the water because she took it a lot more seriously. But hey, I'm just being honest here. I'm not trying to impress you. I just want to show you that this was possible in 5 days. And I'm really liking the Amazon Influencers program, so much so that I decided to make a Facebook group dedicated to Amazon influencers where we can network together and help each other grow. So I'm going to link to that at the top of the description. And I've been working on a Chrome extension. I used to be in my previous life, I left in 2020, but I used to be a web developer. I was a front-end web developer, and I have a partner that we have built a few Chrome extensions together in the past, who is a back-end web developer. Together, we are a pretty nice little tandem, nice little team. So we're working on a project called Influencer Tools that's going to be a Chrome extension that literally only exists to help us make money from the Amazon Influencers program. You can try the tool out for free in beta by just joining the Facebook group. So it's the top link, completely free, not selling you anything. And we're going to build a nice little community where we can network and help each other make more money. The pie is absolutely massive for Amazon influencers, and we just want to make 2024 and beyond a huge year. So make sure to check that out, guys. Also, my private community is going to be linked in the description as well. We do Amazon influencers. We actually had Adam Young do like a private call with us where we hung out for over an hour and talked about, the best ways to make money with Amazon influencers, because he was already making 5-figure profits a month when he initially told us about it. So check out my private community. We have a bunch of awesome guests like Adam and more. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section as well. If you need me to, again, join the Facebook group. I'm going to put together a bunch of resources, starting with a guide step-by-step for beginners that are not in the influencer program of how to get accepted. All right. That's going to be the first thing you're going to need. I'm going to put that in the group. So make sure you check it out. Linked at the top of the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.